Yeah?
Oh my God, it's playing with the TV remote. Did you see it freak out over a piece of lint?
Hi! Hi! Good morning!
Did you see it run into the door?
Quavo, ready? Help. Go.
Look at it play peekaboo. So funny.
Got it? That's it. Good boy. Hit it. Hit it, Quavo.
Hey, check out this kitty's adorable little jump to cute.
Where are your ears? Bring me your ear. Oh! Oh my God.
Oh my God, it's playing with the remote again.
Hi!
No.
Hey, look at it, jumping at the blinds.
Goed zo. Doe de deur ook weer dicht.
Hey, look at it, falling off the chair again. Oh my God, it's acting like it's the Queen. Wow, this kitty's tiny whiskers are just too adorable.
Ow.
Did you catch it running into the coffee table again?
Huh?
Hey, did you catch it fall off the sofa?
Stay.
Look at it sneak under the couch. Hilarious.
I hold him up.
Oh my God, it's pretending to be interested in you.
Oh my God.
Did you see that backflip? So talented. did you see it chase a speck of dust?
I'm alive. I'm dead. I'm watching TV. I'm looking at you. Fuck you. I'm dead again. I'm up. I can run faster than a bitch.
Wow, it's acting like it owns the house. Hey, check out this kitty's adorable little yawn. It's cute.
Winnie.
They're not always so obvious. Some of them are very subtle.
Hey, look at how it acts like it owns the place.
That seem very innocent, but she just don't think anything about.
This kitty just tried to eat a bug, brave or foolish. Hey, did you catch it stealing your socks? Did you see it flip over the pillow again?
No, who's gonna make it? Oh, shit.
I owed him up.
Can you handle this much cuteness? Because I can't.
Huh?
Did you see it give you that judging look? Whoa, did you catch it chasing a butterfly? Did you see it bat your phone away?
Put your minions on the backside by the queen. Hopefully they go in for the Tom Hall.
I can't get, there's no way. They're not gonna get it.
So what do you want to try scrapping a 50?
Oh my god, it's chasing a moth around the room.
Can you sit? Sit. Good boy. Good boy. Now high five. Oh, two of them.
Oh my god, it's sliding across the kitchen floor. Did you see it attack the doorbell again?
Fun.
Oh my god.
What the hell?
Hey, did you see it attack your feet under the blanket? Look at this cat trying to fit into a cereal box. Ambitious. Look at this cat's goofy antics. Wow, the way this kitty purrs is just so soothing. Look at it sleep in that tiny space. Adorable. Is it just me, or did that cat just wink at us? Oh my god, the way it acts like it's royalty. Did you see it attack the doorbell again? Did you see it freak out over the fan? This kitty just gave me the biggest eyes. Look at it, trying to catch a laser dot. Oh my god, look at those big, round eyes. Aren't they just the cuttest? Oh my god, it's meowing at the washing machine again.
Huh? No.
Own laptop, they'll leave you alone. And look at this little businessman!
Wow, it's giving you the cold shoulder. Hey, check out this kitty's adorable little jump to cute. Wow, this kitty's tiny whiskers are just cute. anyone else see this cat's dramatic pounce? Did you see it act all aloof? Hey, look at it, demand attention, then ignore you. Did you see it fall into the sink again? Whoa, it's acting like it's in a chase scene again. Oh my god, it's acting like it's the queen.
Huh?
Immediately no. Immediately no.
Oh my god,
you right
it's
now.
trying to
See what I
climb
needed
the
to
mirror
see?
again.
Is that him?
Hey, look at it, running away from a feather. Oh my god, it's chasing a fly like a maniac.